Hello everyone and welcome back to Skill Stream. Today's topic is an important building block of Python's programming, that is Python modules. Here what we will cover in this video. We will see what is a Python module, why use Python module, how to create and import Python module, and some examples to understand it better. So let's get started. A module in Python is simply a file with a .py extension that contains Python code, function statements, variables and even classes. So as you can see in this image, I need to write a Python program for calculator having the functionalities like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So I will write code for implementing all these functionalities into a single Python program, that is calculator, and I will save that Python program with file name .py extension. So this is my module and I can reuse the module in some other Python program. So the main reason we use module is to break big problems into simpler and smaller ones. The next is why we need to use modules, why it is required. So modules make our coding life easier by organizing the code better, reusing functions and logics, easy maintenance, and making programs simpler and more efficient. Pretty cool, right? So now we will see how to create and import a module in Python. The very first step is to create a module file. So for creating a module file, I just need to create a Python file with .py extension. The second step is we need to import objects in different ways. So I have my module code, which is a Python program with .py extension. So I am calling it as a module, right? So I need to reuse it in some different Python program. So for doing that, I need to import using a keyword import. So we will see how this works. Now, as you can see in this editor, I have a function greet, parameterized function greet. I have a function add with variables a, b, and I am performing addition. I have a variable pi with the value. Now, this is my module file. I have saved this module file with my module underscore .py. Now, I need to use this in different Python program. Now for importing, we can import it in several different ways. So first way is the standard import. In standard import, I need to write import keyword and the name of my module, my underscore module 1. So when I am importing the entire module, I can use all the functionalities of my module. So in this, how many functionalities I have? Greet, add, and I have a variable pi. So if I am using standard import, means importing the entire module, I can use all the functionalities like greet, add, and I can use value of pi also. So for doing that, I need to write the name of module dot, the name of function is greet, and I need to pass the value of name from here. Same for importing addition. My module 1 dot add 3, 4. If I want to access the value of pi, I will write module name dot pi. So this is when I am importing the entire module. The second way is I can select some functionalities from the module. Suppose I just want to use greet and add function from the module program. So I will write from my module import greet and add. So when I am using this from statement, I just have to write the name of the function, pass the value, name of a function, pass the values. Okay. Now the third type is if I want to import everything. Either I can use import in function module name, or I can use from module name import star. This star indicates I need to import everything from that particular module, everything. Okay. Now same, I need to write the name of function, pass the value, and if I want to access the value of pi, I can write pi. So the difference between the third type and the first type is when I am importing the module, I am writing the name of module dot function name and passing the value. Name of module dot function name. Name of module dot variable name. What in case with type 3? If I am writing from my module import star, here also I am importing the entire functionalities of the module, but the difference is I am just writing the name of the function and passing the value. I am not writing module dot function name. Okay. The fourth type is import with alias. Import with alias means I am giving a short name to my module. So I will write import my module 1 as the short form. Okay. So if I want to call the greet and add function of my main module, I will write the short name. Instead of my module, I will write mm.greet, mm.add, mm.py. So we will see the output of this. See, when I am importing the entire module, I am importing greet, addition, the value of pi. Selective import, I am just importing greet and performing addition. Import all, import with alias. So these are the 4 ways to import objects. Now we will see one problem statement. So my problem statement is to create a Python module called calculator for performing arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So the requirement is, first I need to create a Python file which I will save with calculator.py. Then I need to define all these functions for performing addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So the expected output is I need the program should perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of 2 input numbers using the imported functions. Okay, so this is the problem statement. So we will solve it now. So I have this blank file name as calculator.py. Okay. Now calculator module. .py. Write the function for addition, def add a comma b colon return a plus b. Now we will write the functions for all the functionalities. that is subtraction, multiplication and division. After this, we need to write the code for performing some functionalities from this program or all the functionalities. Now, for writing the other Python program, I need to open a new file. Again, we need to save it. I have saved with calcu.py. Now, we need to perform some import statements. Import calculator now. If I am using print addition of numbers comma add 12 comma 10. Now when I am importing the entire module, I need to write calculator dot addition. Same we can write it for subtraction. As because I am importing the entire module, I can use all the functions. Let's check the output. Yes, we have got the output, right? Now, in case if I am importing some of the functionalities, I need to use from calculator import divide. Okay, print division of number comma divide 12 divided by 2. Check the output. 12 comma 2. Check the output. So division of number is 6, right? Now if I want to import with alias, import calculator as C. Okay, now division of number, so what I will write C dot, again execute it. So you can see the output division of number is this. So the next method is from calculator import star. Now here we can import everything, but I don't have to write down this name of module. I can import division also. So we don't have to write this, just write down the name of a function, that's it, and pass the values. Multiplication, multiplication of numbers, the name of function is multiply, pass the value. Let's check the output. Okay, so this is how we can import the module in four different ways. I hope you all have understood the program. Thanks for watching.